Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are presenting OE words like O-E words as in OE. So O-E will sound as in OA like whole, cone, soul, etc. So let us see. Whole, bone, cone, pole, tore, note, mode, roll, code, road, home, dome, tone, joke, stone, drove, spoke, stove, smoke, slope, store. So these are some O-E words. Let us find some O-E words in this picture. Home, dome, smoke, pole, bone, soul, broke, tore, stone, etc. Now let us see some O-E words in sentences. See, my home has a dome, said Pam. See, my home has a dome, said Pam. I can see the smoke too. I can see the smoke too. Scooby sat with his bone. Scooby sat with his bone. Pam fell down. The pole tore her frock. Pam fell down. The pole tore her frock. Now her frock has a hole. Now her frock has a hole. The sole of her shoe broke. The sole of her shoe broke. It is not a joke. It is not a joke. She spoke with a firm tone. It is not a joke. She spoke with a firm tone. Her father, Mr. Bose, drove her home. Her father, Mr. Bose, drove her home. He got her a candy cone. He got her a candy cone. So friends, O-E word will sound like pole, tore, hole, broke, etc. So these are some O-E words and sentences. If you like the video, then please like and share the video and do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video and keep watching for more such videos. Thank you.